Now to Tallahassee, where state lawmakers have filed an amendment to give Florida the power to inspect Disney's monorail.
It's part of retaliation efforts against the company after it undermined the governor's handpicked board. But that amendment could get lawmakers in trouble. Eden is in the newsroom once again with the latest on this saga. Eden.
Well, the law is clear. The government can't target a company. This amendment doesn't mention Disney by name, but it doesn't hide which monorail this is really about. Walt Disney World's transportation is one of the most iconic aspects of the resort, including its 15 miles of monorail, debuting as part of Walt's futuristic vision when the Magic Kingdom opened in 1971. For 52 years, it has operated with only a half dozen incidents, the most notable being a crash in 2009 that killed a 21-year-old driver. But now, Governor Ron DeSantis has turned his focus on the monorail as he tries to make the company sorry that it undermined his new Reedy Creek board.
They exempted the monorail from any safety standards or inspections, so they're going to go and make sure that the monorail is subject to oversight, just like everything else would be in the state of Florida.
Disney inspects its own rides and monorail, but lawmakers are stripping both of those powers away. In an amendment to a license plate reader bill, lawmakers said monorail systems in special districts that cross county lines would be subject to state inspections, rules that only apply to Disney's monorail.
If Disney wants to bring the fight, I think they would probably win the fight.
Attorney Jacob Schumer and his peers have maintained that position from the beginning because the government has handed Disney a clear-cut retaliation argument. They say the more specific the law, the harder it'll be for the government attorneys to argue anything else in court should Disney sue. And that monorail amendment is nothing if not specific. So Reedy Creek's new board will be back in session tomorrow afternoon to officially declare the development agreement that the old board struck with Disney as null and void. Experts say that this is also a precursor to the district filing a lawsuit against Disney or the other way around as early as tomorrow. So we will certainly be watching.